welcome back to Politricks. Watch. This is Sir P. First video after Hurricane Beryl. From me see the Beryl, me know it's a problem because the last Beryl we about was beryllium. And we'll see how that go. But Hurricane Beryl pass and gone. Irie man get a box in his face. Just a warning box. As bad as it was, people say them lose this and them lose that. As bad as it was, could have been much worse. There was a box in the face of Irie man. And you know, people them still really get 2-3 days back to their acidity. Right. There was a box in the face. After I get all the pictures, all the videos, not just from friends and family, in real life. But even people from the PIA, Patreon squad, link me and send me all kind of footage. People are showing me, saying, look at YouTuber, see what I'm in front of the yard, yeah. See what I'm to the house, yeah. See what I'm to the road, yeah. Right. We can't share them they don't know because, you know, obviously I can't tell, say, so and so send that because somebody will realize that so and so yard that or so and so road that. We can't share them, we don't know. But me I look on the picture them and the road them and some of the building them. So let me get into what this video is really about. So for the people that walk around Irie man and claim say them a build this and them a build that. And for them a chopper. Them man a chopper, a scammer, a chop the line. A chop the line hard. They might not have the typical chopper look, right? They might not bleach out and tattoo up and pants and the rear end. But some of them people they will build them building and if I people may claim say them a take taxpayers money and fix road, a chopper them. Hurricane Beryl, especially the water part, was supposed to be a test for the structure them cause lately whole heap of structure gone up in the area man. All kind of building this and building that. And we know say you have competent developers, we know say you have competent workmen. And some of them work sure. Right? You know they pass by the little box where Beryl get Irie man, some of them work sure so them are competent. Man. Builders competent, you know, construction people, mason man, carpenter competent. Remember say you know say natural disaster can be so severe that it mash down anything. But Beryl wasn't that. So it was a good test for see what going on. So while me say enough people work, prove itself. Others, a chopper them. You see this whole heap of building where go on the Irie man, I know some of the building them look smooth and nice and you know them freshen up cause you know the paint just go on so it look like it, you know, look like a proper building. Some of them I don't know what gonna happen when time a real serious natural disaster hit Irie man. Some of them will be coming right back down. People who live in apartments will show me things and I said about all that's not supposed to happen. If it is more severe, you see, forget about the storm, you see all that earthquake thing there. Some of those buildings go and go right back down. Now for the people who call themselves developers, for them are cowboy from the wild west. They have a money, they have some links and them get something pass and them start chew up. Now for them will be going back down as fast as them go up. We say them have money, them have links, and get something pass and make it, you know, it quickly go up. Now for them I'll go back down. Some things people have said me. They wonder how them construction people are sleep at night time. No inside that them get people. There's a saying, you know, and then the man cut corner. Well, them man in a cut corner, them man a cut the roundabout. Man a cut the roundabout. Next thing when I realize for the footage them I see. Some of the roads them. You see when time the road them broke, right? Work completely. What it do is it give you an idea of how they make the road them. And how me see some of them road they look when them broke way. The people them want to go around and now. Your politician friend them want to go around and claim so them a fix road. Every time election and something happen, they run go up claim so them fix road. Them are some of the biggest chopper them there. Right. And I say they might not have no shots under them rear end and they might not bleach out and tattoo up, but them are big chopper. Right. Because when the road tear away, you get to look on the. Now imagine an onion. If you cut your onion in two and you get to look on the layers, that's what happen with some of them road there. And when you see them broke where you can now, look on the layers. Just dump up bare gravel, dump up mall, and then put on one little teeny bit of asphalt over it and say then fix road. As the little asphalt get one little crack and the water starts soaking, you know what happens next. Me tell you already, say Irie is a place. But the same pothole where your grandfather carry mash up in your car come mash up in a No, why? Because all them do is dash little mall, dash little stone, run over one thin layer of asphalt, and as rain fall 2 times, breeze blow 3 times, it dig up back. To how some of them road they look in an Irie, some footage people are sending me that look like a one earthquake. We measure 55.9 on the Richter scale. And it wasn't an earthquake. It was a box. Beryl just box Irie, blow. And gone about it business. One ears out, blow. Where them people are doing taxpayers' money. Where your MP and your councillor do with taxpayers' money and tell about him a develop. But your property taxes are used to fix it. That'll fix nothing. Come like anything they can get their hand on. If you give them one box of cereal, let me throw it in a patrol. If Kellogg's give them one box of cereal, let me throw the Kellogg's in the patrol and draw Baba Green over it and say road fix. When are Jamaicans going to hold their leaders accountable? Them the road where them a fix and a road fixing that guy. Where taxpayers' money a go? One bag of mall and sitting on one little beady piece of asphalt on top of it. You wonder if a beanie man. You wonder if a Mr. Zaga so. There's one little beanie piece of asphalt. That's all them do. Every minute turn up. So them a fix road. If people are not proactive, when Irie get a serious national disaster, me talk about apocalyptic style disaster. Me talk about this thing where you see now movie on Hollywood. Me don't want to go left for Irie, you know. Cause me I see some things that me I say to people say, no man, then how me I hear say certain part. I say, well, we never even get it like that. Look at breeze blow and the rain fall, we never get it like that. So people are go outside thinking everything alright when they go to the door. This gone. The same cowboy developer guy. Enough of them. They mash up the road them and then put all kind of things under the road with no real planning or structural engineering work, you know. Because looking upon some of them creator they will farm, you can see them farm along the lines where the cowboy developer and him friend them dig up this and plant this and enough of them just do what them feel like because them have money and links. Don't got the various parish council them will get anything passed. See, enough of those councils in Irie, chopper them. So let me put them in the business who want dead, you know. Because they cannot be so incompetent to really agree to make somebody do something like that. When you look on one to some of the road them, you can tell, say, you can just see a weird developer guy cut the line and go across and go across and go across. And when time the thing tear up back, and the water lift it up, you see it fall about the line. So the man, they might dig up the road, right, and just a drop of them a drop, and then cover back up the hole, and say, road fix. And also road work, guy. You don't have to be an engineer if you know, say, if you disrupt something, and dig up something, right, you can't just dump up back little dirt tonight, and rub on asphalt over it, and say it fixed, because you've now loosened that entire area. You go throw this and that tonight, you throw one pipe or whatever you're laying there, and you just dump up back and go about your business. And then Mother Nature now come with a small box on the face, and when you look, all of that gone. So who responsible for that now? The taxpayer? Is the taxpayer responsible for some of these damages that we see were clearly done because the cowboy developer guy and him friend him? Right? Just do what them feel like to the road. Right? With no whoever sign off on them things, they have to go jail. This, you know, when a country is serious, based on the consequences that people have for certain things. Whoever is signing off, right, on some of these, right, quote-unquote road works, when things like this happen and you realize how poorly the road work was, man have to go jail. It's only because the Jamaican taxpayer don't care about what them care about. A hype and entertainment and gimmicks. Like they like children, they just want to have fun. Unless them are dead, they're no business. They have to there 1 second from death to really care about these issues. And then we go say, well, after the body they don't want to care about energy, man, go suck your mama. So we're not going to wait till people dead. We're not wait till a whole group of people are drive on a road and the entire road gone down in a way you go. We're not wait until an entire apartment complex come down. Now that we not wait upon, natural disasters happen. Natural disasters mash up things. But that's no excuse to some of the things that we say. Enough of this is not done by Mother Nature. It is fueled by human negligence, corruption, and incompetence. You have to see it to believe it. I wish I could have shown you some of the things them. But me have shown people driveway and people showing people yard and showing people road for going to the yard and them sitting there. So the box span the amount of Beryl give Irie, man. But then I learn from it. Don't tell me about the natural disaster guy, Hurricane Beryl. Never hit Irie, man. To do some of the damage when me see. Some of the damage is just naturally know say right, people with zinc roof and them thing that might lift off and them thing and the rain that go flood over here to certain parts. But not talk about them things, them I talk about things that we can clearly see this is human negligence and incompetence. How some of them things get signed off and they will not change until 150 people dead one time. That's the whole time I'm gonna learn. They will not learn until the whole of Spanish Town. They will not learn until one hell of a whole farm and then the whole of Africa does sink in it. Or the whole of Spanish Town does sink in it. That's the only way them are gonna learn. They have to see the whole of Jimmy Cliff Boulevard just vanish for them to say, alright, do something about it. That is how these people are. They're not proactive. That's how them thing the Irie man love, react. Because it look pretty now. When time they come and fix the road and rub on the Baba Green, it look smooth and pretty. One underneath it, nothing. Kellogg's cornflakes on our drive pan. A Cheerios on our walk pan. Underneath the asphalt. Man a build place and no drainage not there. So the water have to go moonwalk. Some man who out there buy things. If you don't know what to look for, carry somebody will know what to do. Because enough people that buy place because them see the paint look pretty or the building, the window in the building look pretty. When if you look for other things like the drainage, where is the water going to go when the rain fall? And them question none of you ask now get tricked by a pretty building and pretty wall and style upon wall and them sitting there. Where is the water going to go, guy? Was this building put up with earthquake in mind, guy? What category can it withstand? But I know no business about them things still because them sitting there for nerds. As long as it look good and can take 2 pictures, show somebody say yeah the thing up, you know. I'm also make care go suck your mama. But there was a box on the face. A small box, a small ears. Just remind Irie man what can happen. I won't really a one done around here. And then I'm glad I'm alright in a one piece. Patreon squad big up on yourself, PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.